Good afternoon, everyone. Today our topic, the Delhi Sultanate. What is Delhi Sultanate? Delhi Sultanate were the Persian-speaking dynasty of Turkey and Afghan origin, which were controlling India from 1206 to 1526. Many of these dynasties ruled from Delhi. The dynasties were Mamluk dynasty 1206 to 1290, next Khilji dynasty 1290 to 1320, next Tughlaq dynasty 1320 to 1414, and Sayyid dynasty 1414 to 1451, next Lodi dynasty 1451 to 1526. The Delhi Sultanate dynasty, first one Mamluk dynasty, next Khilji dynasty, Tughlaq dynasty, Sayyid dynasty, and Lodi dynasty. Mamluk dynasty. The dynasty was founded by Muhammad Ghori. Ghazni from southern to as far as Lahore, Rajasthan and the Punjab. The rulers were Qutbuddin Aibak, successor of Aram Shah, next Iltutmish and Rajia Sultana. The Slave dynasty. Slave dynasty members are Qutbuddin Aibak, Aram Shah Qutbuddin, next Iltutmish, next Ruknuddin Firoz Shah, next Rajia Sultana, next Muizzuddin Bahram and Ghiyazuddin Balban, next Muizzuddin Kaikubad. These members are the slave dynasty rulers. First one, the Ilbari tribe or Mamluk dynasty, the slave dynasty. The first dynasty of the Sultanate was the Ilbari dynasty. Some historians considered it as the slave dynasty, but it is not appropriate to call it as slave dynasty because out of 9 rulers of this dynasty, only 3 Qutbuddin Aibak, Iltutmish and Ghiyazuddin Balban were slaves during their early life. Some other historians used the term Mamluk, which signifies a slave born of free parents. But this term is also not applicable as the term slavery does not persist. Few others performed to call them as the early Turks, but this terminology also cannot be accepted as there was no later Turkish dynasty. Therefore, most of the historians accepted the term Ilbari as right because all rulers of this dynasty belonged to Ilbari tribe of Turks except Qutbuddin, who was from Aibak tribe. Next, biography of Qutbuddin Aibak. He was ruled from 1206 to 1210. Qutbuddin Aibak. He was a Turk of the Aibak tribe, which in Turkish language means Lord of the Moon. He began his reign with the title of Malik. And Sipahi Salar, which had been confirmed upon him by Muhammad Ghor. He had his early capital at Lahore, which was later shifted to Delhi. He ruled only for a short span, 4 years. He ruled from short span of 4 years. After he became the ruler of Delhi, he did not make any fresh conquest but devoted his time to the establishment of law and order and strengthening his army. In 1210, he died of a sudden fall from a horse at Lahore while playing Chaugan, the Chaugan or polo. Qutbuddin Aibak was famous for his generosity and earned the sobriquet of Lag Bakhsh. Lag Bakhsh means giver of lakhs. He led the foundation of Qutub Minar in Delhi, which was named after a famous Sufi saint Khwaja Qutbuddin Bakhtiar Kaki. It was completed by Iltutmish. Qutbuddin was succeeded by his inexperienced and incapable son Aram Shah, who ruled at Lahore for few months but was deposed by Iltutmish. Thank you everyone.